Hello and welcome back. Before we start, if you have questions about the strategy, that sort of thing, leave a comment below and I'll try and answer as soon as I can. For all other questions, visit our Facebook page at facebook.com/oddbeaker, and chances are the answer will already be there, but if it's not, you can go to the chat from that page and send me a message. If I just happen to be online while you're sending me a message, I'll be able to reply right away. Otherwise, the next time I get on Facebook, I will reply to your message. It's been 6 weeks since I published a video, one of these videos of the series. But I just wanted to apologize for taking so long to publish another video. Things have been pretty hectic. I've been signing up people on the Signal service, and it's just been taking up a lot of my time. There's been some changes also in my day-to-day things that have kind of cut into my video recording time, and so it's become a bit of a challenge. But I think I've got everything worked out now, so that I'll be able to get back on schedule and be publishing weekly videos, if not more. All right, announcements. Yeah, we're excited to announce that we do have the new sign-up page now for the Oddbeaker Signal Service. If you just go to forex.oddbeaker.com and check out the page, it gives you all the instructions, everything you need to get started. And then there's a sign-up page. You fill out some information. It gives you some suggestions for lot sizes according to your risk tolerance. And then you subscribe, and you'll be up and running in a day or two. We also have a new website at www.oddbeaker.com. There's not a whole lot there, but over time there'll be content about who we are, what we do, what things we're involved in. I mean, at the moment, we're basically raising money to begin phase 2 of the business, so we're still in phase 1. So we're not involved in a lot of outside things other than trading, crypto mining, and trading cryptos. We're planting the seeds at the moment, and we're watering the seeds. But once those seeds really start to sprout, that's when we'll start on phase 2 of the business. What was the other thing? Since it's been 6 weeks with no videos, before we get started on this last week, I do want to quickly cover the previous 5 weeks, and just so we get caught up, and so we do have a history of everything that's going on. It's not going to be like the regular videos. I'm just going to do a short blurb for each week, and then when we get to this past week, then it'll go back to the normal format. The other thing is I've got some new equipment, like I've got new 4K monitors, and I've got some new lighting stuff, and so things are different. Things are a little bit experimental at the moment. But one thing I did notice is that, when you have 4K monitors and you used to have 1080p monitors, things tend to look tinier on the 4K. So I apologize if things look smaller, like fonts and things like that. I'll try and get that worked out over time as I learn more about how to adjust all this stuff. All right, so let's go on to the week of March 29 through April 2nd. So we started the week with a basket of 2 from the previous week. On Tuesday, we opened a third trade and kept that basket open for the remainder of the week. So basically nothing happened except that we had 2 trades open when the week started, and then Tuesday we opened the third, and now we're still waiting for that basket to close. All right, so that's the week ending April 2nd. Let's look at the following week, which was April. Ooh, that looked like it closed some trades. So the following week was April 5th through 9th. So yeah, on Monday we closed that basket from the previous week and one other trade. And then we closed another 11 trades throughout the week. If I move out of the way here, you'll see there's a number of trades right there. We closed 11 more trades and left none open for the following week, which was kind of nice. Right? So a total of 15 trades for that week, which means we hit our quota. So that's exciting. And you know what? I forgot to record what the balances were there. Let me see. This was 5 through 9. Oh, okay. So 5 through 9, April 5 through 9, the balance at the end of the week was $561, up $37 from the previous week. That put us at 124% profit. It's so sad that we were at like 100. We were almost at 200% profit, and then took that nasty beating. But you know, that's the way it works. All right. So 124% profit by the 9th of April. Let's go to the following week, which was the 12th through what? 12 through 16. Okay. Yeah, so this was a pretty normal week, right? We had, in fact, no, this was not normal at all. This was a perfect streak all the way. I can duck out of the way there for a second. Yeah, perfect streak. Like here we have a basket of 2, which counts as part of the streak. Here we have another basket of 2, but it didn't close on Friday. It closed later. But up until Friday, we had a perfect trading week. We could have had more activity. Where are we at? So that was the 12th through the 16th. 12 trades that were closed over the week, leaving 2 open over the weekend. We missed our quota by 3 trades. So we're expecting 15, and we got 12. So it was pretty close, but not quite there. The balance at the end of the week was $576, up $15 from the previous week. And that put us at 130% gains from the start. Let's look at the following week, April 19 through 23. Now this is starting to look ugly. So on Monday, we closed the basket from the previous week. We closed another trade. We opened 3 new trades that stayed open for the entire rest of the week, including over the weekend. So all the real activity happened on Monday, and the rest of the week was waiting to get out of that situation we got ourselves in. Okay, our balance at the end of the week was $580, up $4 from the previous week, putting us at 132% profit from the start. Okay, so I'm thinking this next week is where things get a little interesting. Just judging by this ugly red line that's pointing upward there. So let's go to next week, which is, oh, this is interesting. Let me see, what do we got? All right, I can't fit the whole week on the chart there, but so this is April 26th through 30. Right here, we closed one at a loss, so we took a hit, and then a few hours later opened another one. So that puts our basket back to 3 trades. The rest of the week, absolutely nothing, just waiting to get out of that round. And come Friday, so yeah, we closed that basket, and we opened 2 more, and left none open over the weekend, which was kind of nice. But we had almost no trading activity for the entire week, which really sucked. The balance at the end of the week was $533, which put us down $47 for the week from the previous week, and put us back down to 113% profits from the start. So we took a little beating. Not as bad as the last time when we got totally wrecked, but you know, it hurts, and you have to recover, right? You have to recover no matter what. Okay, and that pretty much gets us caught up on the all but the last week. So let's do the next week. Let's do this week day by day. Okay, so Monday, we had some activity, right? We closed 3 trades, left one open for the next day, which put us at 114% gains from the start, with a balance of $535, which is up $2 from the previous week. So previous week we lost what, $40-something, and then this week today we got back, or Monday we got back 2 of those. It's kind of sad, but hey, what are you gonna do? Let's go to Tuesday. Tuesday, pretty much nothing. Like, we still had that trade open from Monday. A new one opened on Tuesday. So now we're just waiting to get out of a basket. Right? So our balance wasn't affected. 0 trades. Let's go to Wednesday. Same exact story on Wednesday. We had the 2 open from Tuesday, and a new one opened on Wednesday, and no closed trades. So now we've got a basket of 3 we're waiting to close. But based on the lines, it's looking like it's gonna close. So that was Wednesday. Oh, incidentally, Tuesday was May the 4th, so Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you. Right? I love that. And then Wednesday was Cinco de Mayo, which is a Mexican holiday, which is kind of cool. Has something to do with mayonnaise and the Titanic. I don't know, Google it. It's pretty cool. I'm kidding, of course. But all right. So Thursday, finally we get out of this round. We closed 3 and 1 more, and then we opened a new trade that was left open until Friday. So that put us at 115% gains from the start, with a balance of $539, which was up $4 from the previous balance. I would say the previous day, but it was actually more like 3 days ago. Oh, if you hear a bunch of cha-chings, it's my crypto bot. Is like, lately that thing's been making money like money's been falling from the sky for that thing. It's amazing. So every now and again it goes on these little streaks where it's just going crazy, filling sell orders that I placed some time ago. Yeah, like that one right there. And incidentally, that's up to 10 sell orders that's being filled at one time. If you hear those, each time you hear one of those cha-chings. Okay. So we're on Thursday. Let's go to Friday. Friday looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, this is how every day should be. This is how we want every day to be, right? It was a great trading day. We closed 8 trades and we left 3 open over the weekend. And those are still open right now. 8 trades closed, 3 left open. It was a perfect streak, like literally every single trade. There's no baskets of 2, no nothing. All 8 trades were single trades that were closed in profit. That's a perfect trading day right there. Right? Perfect end to the week. So that put us at 132% gains from the start, with a balance of $558, which is up $19 from the previous day, which is awesome. All right. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the Myfxbook, just because it's been a long time since I've published any videos and shown this. So we can kind of go back and take a quick look at how things were. A few weeks ago, we got totally wrecked, right? Like we went from $716 down to $524 in the space of maybe 2 days, right? We lost almost $200. It was crazy. Since then, things have been kind of steady upward until, what was that, Wednesday? I can't remember. I just talked about it. And we took a bit of a hit, and now we're recovering. We're slowly recovering. So we're above where we started, where we were when we got wrecked, but we're below this point here when we got sort of lightly wrecked, for lack of a better term. All right, so that's it for the Myfxbook. I do like those ka-chings. I don't know if you can hear them, but they're cool. So let's wrap it up. First of all, thanks for your support. You're supporting me just by watching this video, okay? You're supporting me just by liking and subscribing, commenting, all right? And I appreciate that tremendously. If you guys following me on Zulu Trade, I'm not there anymore. So quit following me. Go to forex.oddbeaker.com and sign up with me there. And you'll get all the instructions you need to be able to follow my trades and copy my trades again and be back to making money. Zulu Trade and I parted ways about a month ago. Actually, it's exactly a month today. Because they're a bunch of thieving bastards. And I got tired of giving them chances to make things right. I mean, that's the bottom line. That's what it boils down to. Sorry for my bluntness and rudeness, but that's when you give them a year to get their act together and they say they're going to and they don't, then that's just crap, right? Anyway, so that's that. Big thanks to you guys following me on the Oddbeaker Signal Service, because that's really helping now. And in fact, it's one of my main sources of income right now until I have enough money to put into my own accounts. I've got, right now, all our money is in crypto, and it's going gangbusters, and I'm trading it and so on and so forth. So I don't have a whole lot of money trading Forex at the moment, but I'm working to build that up. And that money is going to come from the subscription fees and stuff like that for the Signal service, right? As I get more subscription fees, I'll start piling it into a live Forex account, and then that'll be another source of income for us, and hopefully one of the primary sources of income. What else? The Facebook private investor group. So if you're following me on the Oddbeaker Signal Service, or if for some odd reason you're still following me on Zulu Trade, even though I haven't placed a trade on there in a month, first, if you're a Zulu Trade guy, get on the Oddbeaker Signal Service. Second, get on Facebook. Go to my Facebook page at facebook.com/Oddbeaker. Go to the groups link and then and click on the Oddbeaker Forex Investors group. It's really important that you get on there. That's like the ultimate social trading platform right there. We've got about 40 people on there right now. Everybody there is engaged. I post screenshots of charts and comments and I ask questions. I've done one or two polls. It's just a great little community, and people are very active. They're very engaged. And if you want to learn anything, but you have to be a follower of my signals in order to. It's a private group, and it's specifically for followers of my signal. So, if you want to check that out, well, follow me on the Oddbeaker Signal Service, right? What else? I think that's it, right? I really do. I cannot emphasize enough that private investor group on Facebook is wonderful. Like, it's just, I love the guys on there, and I like the interaction we're having, and I like the fact that I'm helping people. I'm answering the questions. I'm helping them generate money, right? The only reason they're paying me money is because they're gaining more money from the service I'm providing for them, right? So, yeah, it's a beautiful thing. All right, so enough babbling. How did we do? We started the week with $533 and 113% profit. We ended the week with $558 and 132% profit. So that's $25 gains, which represents 4.6% profits for the week. We closed 15 trades this week, which we met our quota. This week we just barely made it. And most of those trades were on the last day, right? That was on that Friday. Like what happened Friday? I think what did we have? 8 trades or something like that? Yeah, 8 trades closed on Friday. So 7 from Monday through Thursday and 8 on Friday. But hey, we made our quota, and that's not a bad thing. All right. That's all for now. I'm sorry again that it took 6 weeks to get this video out, but I think I got my act together now enough that I'm going to be able to get back on publishing weekly videos. Also, I'm going to try and get some more instructional videos for the Signal service. Like I have some now for VPS users because I have a free VPS service if you qualify, for at a certain subscription level. Or you could pay an extra $15 a month for the VPS. But if you're trading low lots, I don't recommend that just because, $15 really does cut into your profits. I would say if you got to be trading at least 0.03 lots in order to justify the cost of the VPS. So anyway, yeah. YouTube videos, I'm making videos that instructional videos for like setting up the Signal service manually. I've already got a few for people who are subscribers that are using my VPS service. And I think I might do some more crypto videos too, because I've been like obsessed with cryptos lately, and those things have been taken off. And I mean, crap, man, we're our own bank now. We got a Celsius account. We borrow money from ourselves, collateralized loans. We're trading on the exchange to increase our stash of Ethereum and Bitcoin. And it's just a beautiful thing. Like the whole system. This is the future of money, right? And we're knee deep in this stuff, and we're loving it. So if you have crypto questions, get on the Facebook page and ask. I want to know how many of you guys are interested in crypto, and if there's stuff you want to learn about it that I can teach you, I'll be glad to teach you. All right. So that's pretty much it. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Hopefully less than 6 weeks from today.